were gathered around the kitchen table, and Mark and I and all the little girls, and Mom, Dad, who should I marry? What kind of person should I marry? You know, and that pops out of their mouth. They're like, well, if you're little, I haven't even thought about this yet. But one thing Mark and I truly, truly always just asked and said to them was, find someone who loves God and shares that faith that you share, and you'll accomplish everything that you need to accomplish with His help. Secondly, find a farmer.
For those of you who don't know me very well, I'm not super emotional. I don't really get choked up about a lot of things. But when I got that FaceTime call announcing their engagement on the top of the mountain, I bawled like a baby. Just bawled. It was crazy. Because I was just so happy for my big sister and soon-to-be brother. You guys are amazing together, and I can't wait to see what the Lord has in store for the both of you. God's richest blessings, and I hope you don't mind me tagging along on the rest of all of your adventures.
And despite all the pranks, she has always been there, and I don't know where I would be without her. As far as older brothers go, I finally got one, and I couldn't be happier that Jake and Bailey have found each other. I'm so blessed to have you both in my life, and I love you both so, so much.
I love you guys. Congrats. We love you.